Hi everyone, I Sahil Atri welcome you all to our YouTube channel. Today with this video, I would like to show you our wheelchair ramp that we have installed in Maruti Suzuki Wagoner. These ramps are mostly used by people with spinal cord injury, aged people, and wheelchair users. As you can see, we have also provided a side seat just beside where the wheelchair would be, as per the requirements of the customer. The ramps are made with utmost care by keeping safety our priority, and it can easily bear up to 200 kgs. For the same requirements, you can contact us on the given number on the screen. So that's it for this video. Do like, share and subscribe our channel for our upcoming videos. Thanks a lot for watching.